Hello guys and welcome back to Karen Technologies. I'm Michael and you are watching the Complete Android Development Diploma for Beginners. In today's video, we're gonna talk about Java comments. Java comments are the statements that are not executed by the compiler. It can be used to provide information or explanation about the code, or can also be used to hide program code so it will not be executed. There is two types of comments, a single line comment and multi-line comment. Now let's jump to see that in the code. Here in our project, I will create a new class, Java class. I will call it comments. Here inside comments class, don't forget to add the main method, which is the entry point of each and every Java project. Let's print a simple line, hello Java. Let's duplicate this line multiple times, hello world, hello comments, hello programmers. If you run this program, you will see all these lines getting executed. Hello Java, hello world, hello comments, hello programmers. What if we want to hide or to not execute this line, hello comments? So here we can use comments by commenting this single line by this double slashes. Here this line got commented, and as you can see, it's now written or visible with different color, with a gray color. If we run this program again, this line will not get executed. Hello Java, hello world, and then skipping this hello comments and hello programmers is executed. So this is the single line comments. What if I want to comment multiple lines? Like what if I have some code explanation here, like I want to say this is a program showing students, and then I will resume on next line, showing students how to use comments. So these multiple lines that I need to comment, what I'm gonna do. Imagine that you have 5 or 6 or 10 lines that you need to comment. It's not a good practice to comment them line by line like that. There is an easier way to comment multiple lines, which is using the multi-line comment that way, using this symbol and that symbol, slash asterisk and asterisk slash. This slash asterisk indicates the beginning of the comment, and asterisk slash indicates the end of the comment. And here all in between will be commented. Like if we cut this line and put it here, now it's commented and we can run our program just fine. Hello world, hello Java, hello world, hello programmers. So this is all for Java comments. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. Also subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to follow us on social media, Facebook and Twitter. And if you have any questions or if you want to be in touch with me and with other students, you are welcome to join our students community on Facebook, and I will leave you all the links in the video description below. Happy coding!